Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel EMMC Test Talk. Today we are going to discuss about country specific EMC regulation. So what is a country specific EMC regulation? Every government issues its own EMC regulations, laws, directives for its country. This video will show you legal statutory basis and requirements regarding EMC for different countries and custom unions. Now we will discuss about the regulatories for Australia and New Zealand. So you can see the symbol of Australia and New Zealand. This is regulatory compliance mark RCM. The regulatory compliance mark is a compliance mark for Australia and New Zealand. So effective countries are Australia and New Zealand. Scope of the RCM market is all applicable ACMA regulatory agreement. This include telecommunication, radio communication, electromagnetic compatibility, electromagnetic energy, electromagnetic radiation and electrical safety. Which EMC standards we have to follow? Australia and New Zealand EMC standards AS and ZS, which are based on IEC and CISPR standards. ACMA mandate EMC standards are published online. Now we will discuss about the Brazil. The Anatel labels is mandatory for radio and telecommunication equipment in Brazil. It consists of Anatel logo and a numerical code. So effective countries only Brazil. Responsible authorities are Agência Nacional de Telecommunicação. Then scope of Anatel labels are telecommunication product, and then in these countries emission test is also required, immunity test also required, and EMC standard Anatel publishes acts called ATO which contain the applicable limits and refer to the applicable EMC and safety standards. IEC, CISPR, ITU and ITU-T standards. For EMC Act ATO number 1120 is valid. For Safety Act ATO number 950 is valid. So you can see how it is showing the symbol Brazil. Now Canada. The Innovation, Science and Economics Development ISED certification number is made up of a company number CN assigned by ISED. ISED is CBs, followed by the union product number UPN. For example, IC, CN, UPN. The CN can only be obtained from the Certification and Engineering Bureau. So effective countries only Canada. Responsible authorities are like Innovation, Science and Economics Development Canada ISED equipment to the United States FCC. Then emission tests are also required. Immunity test is also required. Then EMC standards, emission limits, interference causing equipment standards, ICES refers CAN, CSA and CISPR standards. Test method is as per 6/16 and ANSI C63. Now we will see the China. The China compulsory certificate mark CCC is a mandatory mark for products sold on Chinese market. The effective countries China, you can see it is looking like CCC. Responsible authorities are State Administration for Market Regulation SAMR. Then scope of the CCC mark: safety, health, environmental protection, electromagnetic compatibility, in that emission and immunity, and the other technical regulation or standard. EMC standard GB standards. GB stand for the GOBO, which means national standard. GB standards are based on the international IEC standards. So these Chinese standards also based on the international IEC standard. Next is Eurasian Economic Union. The Eurasian conformity is EAC mark. Is the product conformity mark of Eurasian Economic Eurasian Union, EAEU, former Eurasian Customs Union. This is EACU. Effective countries are Armenia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Russian, Eurassian Economic Union. EMC standard, Russian GOST are standard which are mostly identical to the European EN standard. So here also you can see European EN standard are mostly identical with GOST R standards. Next is the CE conformity mark. This is for European Union. The conformity Europe CE mark is a product conformity mark of the European Union. Effective countries are European Economic Area, 28 EU member states, Norway, Iceland and Switzerland and Turkey. In the EMC standard, European standard include the harmonious standards are often based fully or partially on international ISO or IEC standard, and that they start with the letter EN, which stand for European norm. EN EMC standards are developed by SENELEC, CN and ETSI. Next, TEC ISI mark. It is Telecommunication Engineering Center TEC logo and Indian Standard Institution mark. It is for India. Indian Standard Institution ISI mark is the product conformity mark of India, and the Telecommunication Engineering Center TEC logo is mandatory for telecommunication equipment. It is effective country is India. Responsible authority is Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, and in addition for telecommunication equipment, the Department of Telecommunication. Then scope of ISI marking is a safety, health, environmental protection, electromagnetic compatibility and other technical regulation or standard. Scope of TEC logo, it is nothing but MTCT certification, performance of telecommunication network, safety of end users and radio frequency emissions. EMC standards IS developed by the Bureau of Indian Standards BIS, which are based on IEC and CISPR standards. For the mandatory testing and certification for telecommunication equipment, that is MTCTE, the testing and the certification procedure TEC 93009 define the applicable TEC standards, and TEC standards define the applicable IEC and ETSI standard. Now we will see Japan. For the PSC category A label is the Japanese conformity marking for the specific product. The PSC category B label, which is in the round, is the Japanese conformity mark for the non-specific products. PSC stand for Product Safety, Electrical Appliance and Material. The Ministry of Economic Trade and Industry, it is METI, decide which product belong to category A and which product belong to category B. The difference for category A, which is in diamond shape, to the category B, which is in round shape, is the category A product must pass the additional conformity assessment by the registered conformity assessment body. The Voluntary Control Council of Interference VCCI marking is the voluntary Japanese conformity marking for information technology equipment ITE based on the CISPR recommendations. So you can see the symbol for that, and then the responsibility authority is Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry METI. EMC standard, JIS standard, which are based on CISPR and IEC standards. Next is the Korean certification KC marking is the product conformity mark of Republic of Korea, South Korea. Effective countries are Republic of Korea, South Korea. EMC standard, Korean EMC standard KS, which are mostly identical to the international standards IEC. FTA, Korea FTA, User Guide of Electromagnetic Compatibility and Electric Safety Certification. Now we will see about the Switzerland. The CH mark is a Swiss conformity mark. Switzerland also accept the product with the CE mark. CH marking is electromagnetic interference, EMI, electromagnetic compatibility. EMC standards, OCOM release EMC standard, basically they are identical to EN standard. Now we will see the Taiwan. The commodity inspection marks, also named Bureau of Standards Metrology and Inspection BSMI mark or product safety mark, is the product conformity mark of Taiwan for information technology equipment, IT product, audio and video device, appliances and wireless product. Effective countries only Taiwan. Then scope of BSMI mark is the safety, health, environmental protection, electromagnetic compatibility and other technical regulations or standards. The EMC standard, most of the Chinese national standards CNS are derived from IC and CISPR EMC standards. Next one is a Turkey. So you can see here Turkey mark. According to EMCD guide about the EMC directive EMCD 2014/30 EU, the EMCD also applies to Turkey. Therefore, Turkey accepts the CE mark if declaration of conformity for the CE mark is translated into Turkish. The TSE mark is the Turkish conformity mark for electronic products indicating compliance of the product to the relevant Turkish standards TSE and the permit using TSE marks upon the product and or packaging. In case a product has the CE conformity, the TSE mark is optional. We will discuss about the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom UK left the EU on February 2020. The UKCA mark is the new mandatory conformity mark in the Great Britain, England, Wales and the Scotland to indicate the conformity of product in the UK legislation. Then effective countries are Great Britain, England, Scotland and Wales. Northern Ireland required the CE mark. Scope of the UKCA marking is safety, health, environmental protection, electromagnetic compatibility and other regulation. EMC standards. The British Standards Institution BSI maintain the EMC standards. Most EMC standards are identical to the EN standards of EU. However, they use the prefix BS to indicate that they are standards adopted by the BSI as the UK's national standard body. Then we will discuss about the FCC mark, United States of America. The Federal Communication Commission FCC is the product conformity mark of the United States of America USA. Effective countries are United States of America. Responsible authorities Federal Communications Commission FCC. Then scope of the FCC marking electromagnetic interference EMI, electromagnetic compatibility. Then emission test also required, immunity test also required. So here EMC standard emission limits 47 CFR, test method FCC MP 5-1986 IEEE ANSI C63X. These are the mandatory tests for the EMC. Then here different parts are there. Part 15 Radio Frequency Directive, Part 18 Industrial, Scientific and Medical Equipment, Part 68 Communication of Terminal Equipment and Telephone Networks, Part 87 is Aviation Services, Part 19 is Private Land Mobile Radio Services and Part 97 is for the Armature Radio Frequency. These are the different parts. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and give me more suggestion in comments so I can make a videos for you. Thank you so much.